Hey all, welcome to ShareTrek. This is your host, Raj. Most important announcement is that our friend Yuan, who is helping me with French translation, has taught me how to add subtitles to different languages. Thanks to Yuan, this video will have subtitles in French, Spanish, German, Filipino, Arabic, Thai, and Vietnamese. If you don't see the subtitles right away, check back after a day and let me know if the subtitles make sense. Also, pardon my appearance. I have been suffering from some allergies and it is taking me longer to make my videos. So I have suspended shaving. I find it saves me a lot of time and blades. That said, today I am excited to share with you a new news article that caught my attention, and it appears very promising and has the blessings of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation as well. In this video, I'll explain the concept of this therapy. I'll explain who the partners are and what their roles will be. I'll also put a link to the article in the description so that you can read it for yourselves. Let's get started. Welcome back. On the screen, you will see the press article that I was talking about. First, let me summarize the concept. There are relatively stable regions of the HIV, and we'll call them stable epitopes. CD8 plus T cells can be trained to target these stable epitopes. CD8 plus T cells are capable of recognizing and eliminating infected cells, and when they are trained to target the stable epitope, they will kill the holder of the stable epitope, and in this case, since the stable epitope is in HIV, HIV will be destroyed by such trained CD8 plus T cells. Quite conveniently, CD8 plus T cells do not have CD4 receptors, CD5 receptors, or CXCR4 receptors. This makes them quite resilient to approach and combat HIV in the body. The question then becomes, how do we train these CD8 plus T cells? Well, to activate and train the CD8 plus T cells, they need to be exposed to the stable epitope. I'll make a separate video on activating CD8 plus T cell and explain how it would happen naturally in the body, but that's for a later video. So the stable epitope has to be extracted from HIV and then sent into the human body to expose the CD8 plus T cells and train them. This is usually done using a AAV. However, many humans are resistant to AAV, so in this case, they are using what is called as a GRAd vector delivery. The GRAd vector delivery program has been perfected by Reithera, which is the manufacturing partner who, along with the Ragon Institute and IAVI, will work on this initiative. More about that later. Coming back to GRAd vector delivery, Reithera's vaccine platform uses a gorilla adenoviral vector, which is GRAd, to deliver these stable epitopes into the body because this vector is unknown to the human body and can extract strong CD8 T cell response in humans. I personally think that this can lead to a functional cure, as the CD8 plus T cells will eliminate all copies of HIV virus except the ones that are in the dormant cells. This should work well because I think the stable epitopes need to remain stable in order for HIV to propagate. In other words, the stability of these epitopes is essential for HIV to replicate successfully. This will stress the HIV and test its ability to mutate out of this attack. One hopes that the stable epitopes have reached the present configuration after decades of mutation and are optimal at this time, and any further mutation will not be viable. Now, to the role of the participants in this project. The HIV T cell epitopes were identified by the Ragon Institute and funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Reithera SRL owns the GRAd vector platform and will be in charge of GMP and be the contract manufacturing organization for this project. IAVI will be the sponsor and will execute the phase 1 clinical trial to evaluate the safety and immunogenicity of this vaccine. I'll follow future news updates on this project and bring it to you. Please do not forget to subscribe to our global HIV channel by copying the subscribe link in the description. Starting February 2024, all English video will have multiple language subtitles and will be found on our global HIV channel. The link is in this description. That's all for now. I'll be back soon with the next video. See you later. Bye for now.